What's up guys, your boy Zo here, and today we're gonna deal with the Arturia last release, the bundle of compressors that you're gonna actually use. Yeah, this is how they say it. So basically we have a 1176 here, the STL level here, and the DBX 165, okay? So the purpose of this video is to see and hear what those guys are capable of, okay? So to do that, we're gonna try those on some trap shit and some boom bap stuff, okay? So first of all, we're gonna make a really quick tour of the GUI because they already have some great videos on the Arturia website, so be sure to check it. And then we're gonna play with this baby, okay? So we're gonna start first with the DBX, no, the 1176, yeah, because I want it. Okay, so first let me show you the beat right now. Okay, let me make you hear the beat, right? Hold on 1 second. On the beat, this is a trap shit. Each bars we hear the boom, boomy, right? Boom, boom. Okay, listen. Okay, here, feel it. Okay, now you're gonna pay attention also to the boom. Okay, here, boom. Okay, you have two kick, a ghost kick and the real kick. Listen. Okay, here, this is really important. Okay, I'm gonna check those compressors if they're able to handle those boom, okay, really well. And also I want you guys, I like to use some 808 stuff with the sustain of the bass for us to hear first how it handles the time, okay, if it's bumping or not on the release, if it's enhancing it or not. And the second is to appreciate the distortion, the harmonics, right? So here we go. I'm gonna use the default setting here, and okay, from scratch you notice the color, right? Listen. Without. With it. Yeah, that's crazy, right? Okay. So the controls of the 1176, you already know them. Nothing new. Then you click here. First, you have here the small options and the resize of the window. So we're gonna put ourselves at 100 here, or even more, because you deserve it, right? So now, yeah, that's an option that makes me feel really comfortable, right, with my old eyes. Here the goodie is. So basically here you have the sidechain goodies that they implemented, right? You can sidechain internally or external source. When you choose external, you can choose the sidechain gain here, aka the amount of the signal triggering. The detection mode here, so basically you have a dual mono here, linked mode here, and the mid only and side only, so you can compress only the mid or the side, right? This is a choice of the design. I spoke with the guy behind this plugin, and it was a choice. He told me that he wanted something like really simple, and this is not aimed as mastering, but for tracking and all that, so it can be really handy, really. Time warp, basically this is something that determines the reaction of the compressor. Okay, by 0 it will react exactly like the hardware. If you go on the left, it's gonna be like look ahead, and it's gonna trigger more quickly. And you can also delay here the start of the compression. Then here you have the EQ sections, the filter and one band EQ. speaking with him, he told me that this is a SSL type equalizer. Basically, the more you increase the gain or decrease the gain, the sharper is gonna be the Q, right? And then I love this thing. Look at that. A compressor range. This is a compressor limiter. Basically, it's not gonna limit like a dynamic processing, right? It's gonna limit the amount of the gain reduction, right? So we're gonna use it. I'm gonna make you here, right? So here we go. Let's put back my bit right now. So first of all, we're gonna deal like a regular 1176. Usually I test them with the fast setting like this. You're gonna increase here, and since it's linked, it's gonna compensate for that. First thing, you already know your boy Zo here, is that I always check here my levels, right? So let me just put this here. Okay, so basically here, this is the perceived loudness. Okay, so I gotta stick with that even with the compressor engage. There we go. Yeah, you feel the color right now. Okay, here we go. Yeah, you see how it's grabby? So now we're gonna match this. What I like is that when you touch the output here, even if it's linked, it gives you the ability to fine tweak it. Yeah, now I think we're good here. Let me just back it up. And you have the levels here. Yeah. Yeah, we're good here. Okay, so I'm gonna bypass and make you hear. Here we go. And now, yeah, you see how it's rounded. Look at the control of the kick. And listen to the tutum. How it's punchy. Now. Now. Yeah. Without. Okay, so now what we can do here, you hear the boom. It's kind of muddy, right? I'm gonna open up the thing here. So I'm gonna engage the EQ here. The first thing I'm gonna do here is to bring back some hi-hats and high information. Listen. Yeah, I like it like that. Now listen to the boom, boom. Okay, I'm gonna click here on the listen. Look at that. Okay, this is the boxiness I want to get rid of. Okay, so now look at that. Okay, I'm checking the levels here. Fine tweak. I'm gonna engage and disengage here the equalizer, right? Now. Now. Okay. Listen. Now. Now. You see how it's sharper and cleaner here? Focus on the kick. It's boomy here, right? level, guys. So it's in your face and really crazy. Another thing which is really cool with this 1176 here, I'm gonna disengage this thing, is the compressor range, right? So let me just compress here. You see it's really nervous, right? So with the compressor range, I can tell him, okay, minus 3 dB of gain reduction here is too much. Look at that. I'm gonna calm down. And we're gonna stick with the 1 dB of gain reduction or so. Okay, you see how it's really handy? So basically when you fine tune here, you can use that to, okay, too much compression, not enough, you know? And then just back it up like that. Okay, it's cool like that. Without. With it. And this is crazy how it's in your face right now. Okay. Another thing I want to show you here with this thing, the compressor range. Basically, if you put it on 0 here, you not compressing, but you're gonna use the distortion, saturation, and look at that. So basically, I'm gonna put like output here. Look at that. Now you feel it. I'm gonna unlink it. Yeah. You feel it on the big kick. This is why I made this. Yeah. Just for the color. Okay, without. Yeah, that's crazy. So if you want to use it just for the color right now, you can do so by using the compressor range here. Okay. Here we go, we back. See how it's nervous. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. That's crazy because first, it really mastered the transients, right? Okay, what I'm saying right now, it's the same for the others, 2 others, right? But it's pleasing. I mean, the compression here is not like sounding bad. You like it or not, right? Because it can be too much for your beat right now. But actually, the beat is really sterile here. Sterile. I don't know how you say it. But look at that. Yeah. Ratio 12, 20. Yeah, this is banging. Level jump. Yeah, this is basically what I will use here. Just a small amount of gain reduction, but I like this. This is punchy. Look at that. Yeah, guys. Yeah, that's crazy. The old one. Yeah, definitely something. That's crazy, right? Never been a fan of this thing. I mean, it can be great for overheads and all that. Room mics or stuff like that. But yeah, maybe to use with the mix knob. Yeah, special shout out to Mercato Negro. I know he don't like mix knobs. Yeah. Okay. Okay, this is the way to make knob here. Okay, I'm gonna stick with my 20:1 ratio here. Okay, let me just only use the compressor right now. Okay, this is the way I really test my stuff here. I like the goodies, but I like to see if without those goodies this compressor is able to really shine, and according to what I'm hearing right now, this is the case. Okay, enough for the 1176. Okay, now we're gonna try the STA level. Right, let's have fun with the size also. Okay, for this one you have here a single mode. Single mode, basically you have, look at that, you have it's written here. Use it to change the temporal response of the compressor. Single is the slow response basically, right? Okay, triple is the fast attack, and with double it's adaptive to the material, right? So basically I like to use the double, right? Let me just put it on default here. So a pretty fast here recovery, and we're gonna stick with the double here. Now we're gonna increase slowly with this thing on the whole beat. This thing shines on vocals and all that. Okay, easy for this thing. I'm gonna try it on this fucking beat, guys, and basically I just hit the needles because it's really easy to saturate, right? Yeah, you feel the color, the way it masters the transient. The kick is not moving no more. I love the boom boom, listen. The ghost notes is just crazy, listen. Without. It's in your face. You feel the clap is banging in your face. Okay, same thing here. You have the sidechain. For example, here I'm gonna put the listen. I'm gonna check the clap. Okay, here I'm gonna calm down the clap. So by boosting here, I'm triggering more compression on the clap here. Okay, like that. Without. With it. Yeah. Listen, my friends, listen closely without the EQ, right? Especially on the mids. You see? Too much on the clap in my head. Okay? Now. Yeah, this is like this thing here is just crazy. I can bring back some height. Listen. Yeah. now this is the way I'm gonna use it on this. Yeah. Without. Yeah, hey guys. Next bar. Yeah, I like it like that. Without the equalization here in sidechain. This is just crazy. Yeah, there's a small level jump right here. Look at that. Here we match. Yeah. I can also focus only on the mid here. Look at that. So you see more excitation on the hi-hats and all that because we don't touch it. Link. Okay, without. Right, guys. Here we go. This is the DBX 165, one of my favorite compressor in the Arturia form, and I'm really pleased to have it here in the plugin format. Right? Don't be biased. This is not a DBX 160 VU. Nothing. This was one of the first VCA compressors, and basically it was a revolution, right? And you're gonna understand why. What? Listen closely. First of all, here I'm gonna explain because this is not like a really useful compressor, right? So basically here you're gonna see when you're gonna have the signal below the threshold, okay, and above here, okay. And when I'm kissing here, I'm hitting the threshold here. So basically, usually I start with compression from 2 to 1 here, and you lower here the threshold. And as soon as, look at it, you start compressing here, right? And when you're above the threshold, basically it's gonna be like really hardcore, okay? So usually I check, you see here, it's on the kick. And a clap. Boom, back, okay? If I want the kick only, for example, I can do that. I have the clap also, but only the kick and the clap here. Okay, listen. Okay, this is the way I do it, usually like that. Okay, here the attack, the more you go on the left, the faster is it. It is. So, you know me, I like to see what's going on with the transients. I love the way to round my kick here. Yeah, this is the way I like it, guys. Okay, we're gonna match the levels, and you're gonna see why this is. Now I can see it. This is my favorite of the three, guys. And I'm fucking biased, yeah. Without. Yeah, guys. I love what it does. Okay, you want more transients? Okay, exactly. Slower here. Okay. Too much here. Okay. You have the auto here. Really punchy here. Okay. I'm gonna lower it. can do it like that. I'm gonna lower here. Output gain. And weave out. Wait. Yeah, we see the contour. Listen, each element of the beat here is working independently, right? The hi-hats, look at that. The clap is too, you know, there's no cohesion, right? Now. Yeah, this is the glue, the famous glue, right? Yeah, this is the first famous glue, guys. Okay. You have here the goodies, right? You have something really special here. This is the manual source here. Okay, so basically here, when you click here on manual here, it's gonna compress when I hit this with my mouse or automation. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna do like that. Clicking. Okay, so it can be useful if you want to do it or not, but I ain't gonna bother you with these things. The real deal here, guys, is the quality of the compression, right? I'm gonna deal with my settings here. Yeah, this is bad, no bumble. Look at that. Okay, now you have this section, which is a crazy motherfucker. Basically, here you have a limiter. And look at that, when I'm gonna decrease this, look at that. Yeah, listen. You see the distortion? Yeah. Yeah. This is really too much, right? But I just want you to analyze the quality of this thing. Okay? This thing is just a beauty, right? On the whole beat, this is some bullshit, right? But on the snare or something like that, yeah, this is the thing, right? So I'm gonna keep this guy here, and we're gonna deal with another smooth boom bap shit. Okay? Yeah, yeah. So now let me just fire up the VCA here, default setting. Okay, like I told you. Okay, compression, we're gonna be like pretty fast here, and here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, good compression, right? Give out. We're here. Okay, we're gonna try to match this thing. Already a good compression, right? Now I'm more snap, right? So yeah, on the snare, look at it. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stick with that to show you something. Yeah. Now listen. This is a boom bap stuff, really boring, right? Listen now. Okay, I'm gonna shut my motherfucking mouth, and I'm gonna play with this thing like I will do on my own. Yeah. Listen to the snare. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Okay. Now look at that. The kick is too much, right? That's too much like that. Okay, I ain't gonna play with this thing. Yeah. Now listen. Yeah. Kinda too boomy, right? Oops. Let me grab this thing before. Still on demo mode here. Yeah. Just a filter here. Okay, I like it like that. Now we're gonna bring back the snare. Let me just listen. Here, we got it. Okay, listen to the clap, the snare. Like that, without. With it. It's a little clearer. Not crazy. I'm gonna use this preamp here. Like it like that. Okay, we're gonna match the levels right now, my friends. Give me that VCA back here. Okay, it's really too much on the kick, right? But you know, I'm doing it on the whole beat, right? But the snare, it just wicked. Okay guys, I forgot that the output here is driving here. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the mix tool here just to increase the gain here. Okay, that's too much, right? I know, but I like it like that, without. Yeah. Okay, only with two plugin, and basically I couldn't say one plugin because what we did with the 73 preamp here is just equalization, right? But the goodie is the VCA. With it. Yeah. This is a fucking snare, my friends. I'm not bullshitting you, the same perceived loudness, right? Be the bass. Yeah, that's too much. I don't care. Without. with it. Okay, if you don't hear it, even on YouTube, you're gonna hear it, guys. Okay, we're gonna finish with this thing. Let me try on the... Yeah, that's crazy. Okay, guys, let me just hit you guys with my conclusion on this, guys. Basically, the first thing I really loved about Arturia choice of compressors is that they provided you with some options that cover pretty every area you want to need when it comes to compression, right? So the 1176, we already know that it can handle everything. The VCA 165 is just crazy. And you saw the smoothness of the STL level and all that. The color, the roundness it brings and all that. So basically from vocals to synths to drums to anything. If you don't find your solution on those three compressors, I mean, it's gonna be like very strange, I'm gonna say. Okay, so first of all, the choice of the compressors. Next, CPU, guys. It's slow on the CPU. The GUIs are gorgeous. You have those goodies that bring them to the new century, right? Yeah, you're gonna use that. It's really handy. And I didn't show you everything we can do with this thing. I really stress you guys to go on the RTR website to see what we can do with this thing. The purpose of the video, like I told you, is really to make you hear those guys, okay? And basically, this is a great surprise. And for the price, this is just a steal, guys. Okay, I think it's 69 euros right now for three compressors. Guys, yeah, that's like 22 euros like that for one compressor, for 1176 or DBX 165 or STL level. This is just crazy, right? Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Like if you like it, subscribe if you want, share the video if you can, I will appreciate, and feel free to comment, okay? You know the title of the video, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So tell me which one you consider being the good, the bad, and the ugly. Okay? I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did, and I'll catch you guys later. Okay? Take care of you guys. Bye-bye.